In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Shopify store using a powerful tool called Fraud Filter. As someone deeply invested in running an e-commerce business, ensuring your transactions are secure and trustworthy is paramount. Fraud Filter is a handy tool that can help you block potentially fraudulent transactions before they impact your business. So let's dive right into how you can set it up in just a few simple steps. First, we'll need to head over to Shopify. If you're new to Shopify, you'll find this is the main platform to manage your online store, from adding products to processing orders. It's the backbone of your online business operations. Go ahead and log into your Shopify dashboard, which will serve as our starting point for setting everything up today. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, our next stop is the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a fantastic resource that provides access to a variety of apps designed to enhance and safeguard your store. You can find tools for anything from email marketing to inventory management. And today, we are focusing on security. In the App Store's search bar, type in Fraud Filter. As the name suggests, this app will allow you to create filters to block suspicious transactions, helping you minimize chargebacks and protect your revenue. After you've found the Fraud Filter app, click on it to start the installation process. Installation is straightforward, and Shopify will guide you through it quickly. Once installed, you'll see an option to Add New Filter. This is where the magic happens. Click on this button to begin setting up your custom fraud filters. You might be wondering what exactly you need to input here. Typically, you would input details like a customer's name, email address, or IP address that you suspect might be linked to fraudulent activity. This information will help the app to identify and prevent any undesirable transactions automatically. As you add these details, think about the specific scenarios where fraud has previously occurred in your store and use that knowledge to inform your filter criteria. It's always good to base your filters on actual data you have observed, as that will be most effective. And just like that, you've secured another layer of protection for your online store. Once you save your filter, Fraud Filter is ready to go. It will work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your transactions safe and sound. This peace of mind lets you dedicate more of your energy to growing your business, knowing that you've taken proactive steps to safeguard your hard-earned income. That's all it takes to set up Fraud Filter on your Shopify store. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.